Here's the scenario. You're a hard-working, no-nonsense, budget-minded owner of a small trucking company looking to increase your profitability. Well, take a look at this cost-saving solution that just rolled into town. The Thermo King TriPac Evolution APU. No matter the tractor, no matter the freight, this auxiliary power unit provides power and air conditioning to keep you comfortable while the engine is off, charges the tractor's battery, keeps coolant at an optimal temperature for more efficient engine starting, and reduces engine wear by cutting idle time. Translation? This little baby works hard, so you and your tractor don't have to. And will save you a truckload of cash. Here's how. 1. It reduces idling and fuel costs. 2. Decreases tractor maintenance, which means more time spent driving. And 3. Lowers total engine hours, which increases the resale value of your tractor. Plus, the Evolution powers the gadgets and devices that make your cab feel like home, while keeping you cool and comfy off the road. Because when you're comfortable, you're well-rested. And a well-rested driver is a safe driver. The benefits don't end there either. At a whopping 2,000 hours, the Evolution offers the longest maintenance interval in the industry, decreasing tractor downtime and costs. And the 3-dial controller is so easy to use, you can operate it in your sleep, literally. Add it all up, and what you have here is an operational cost-saving, driver comfort increasing, resale value boosting no-brainer. With the best return on investment over any APU on the market, industry-leading performance and reliability, and unmatched dealer support, it's easy to see why the TriPac Evolution is miles ahead of the competition. TriPac Evolution. Anywhere, anytime, all the time. Do you have a TriPac Evolution on your tractor? For more information on the TriPac Evolution, contact your local Thermo King dealer or local tractor dealer.